Hi, Sarah Banas here, Learn to Craft. I'm going to show you something really neat today. I'm going to show you how to use these builder sets. There are a ton of different kinds. I'm going to show you how to personalize them. So there are different body types, petite or plus size. There's ones where they're sitting on the floor on Christmas morning and there's a Christmas tree and it's got the mom and the dad or the whole family, however the family makeup is, and the kids and the dog and then they have ones that are, the mom and the daughter sitting under a tree. I'm going to show you another one that's really pretty today. That's a wedding set. There's a ton of them out there. It's a really neat new trend that's been around for maybe about a year now, a year and a half. Just so there's enough out there now that no matter what you're looking for, you're gonna find it. So, and the nice thing too is that there's expansion packs you can get. So, like, say you buy this set and then you want other hair colors or styles. A lot of the designers have built expansion packs so you can build it up kind of like having a dollhouse where you're getting parts for it. So it's just a really fun neat thing. I like to put these, I sublimate also, I like to put them on pillows or mugs or tumblers, but you can also use printable, like inkjet printable material, vinyl, however you want to call it, and put it on whatever you want. So let's get started. These are so easy. Real quick, let me just say that I'm going to link everything in the video description. So when you're looking at the video underneath, it'll say like click for more information or something like that. When you click on that, it'll expand it. I'll put this set in there. I'm going to put a link to the other set that's free right now. If you can grab the other set right now, if you see this video when it first comes out and you can grab that set while it's free, I'm telling you, it's beautiful. You do not want to miss that. I'm also going to link, one of our many Facebook groups. We have a collaborative of about 2.25 million members. I'm going to link Cricut and Silhouette for Beginners. It's about maybe 200,000 members, 190,000 members at this point. Super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. Make sure you join us there. I'll link that in the video description. So that being said, this is so easy. It's just incredibly easy. So we can get rid of this. Now let's deconstruct this one and then we'll construct the other one. So hat, hat, body, hair, 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 clothes, bottoms of clothes, body, drink. That's all there is to it. So that being said, that one's deconstructed. Let's get rid of that. And then let me just show you real quick. So this set, that particular set, has ton of hairstyles, just one second. So here's one of the sets of hairstyles, and then so there's two groups of hairstyles in this one. And this is the case with all of the better designers of these. They all give you a ton of choices so that you can really, personify the person that you're trying to personify. So lots of choices in that one. So let's go ahead and let's work with building one. Okay, this is an absolutely beautiful set and it is completely free right now. If you catch this just in time, I can't stress this enough, grab it while it's free. Absolutely just a beautiful set. So, so this set comes with 3 different dresses for the bride in 3 different colors. So you actually have 9 options for the dress. I think it comes with 12 suit colors, comes with 4 skin tones. It comes with, I think, 8 or 12 hairstyles for the man, hairstyles and hair colors for the man, and either 8 or 12 for the woman. So it's really just a really great set. So this is incredibly easy. First thing you want to do, that what you need to learn here that you didn't learn when we ungrouped everything, when we moved everything apart and deconstructed, is how to move your layers back and forth, because that's the biggest part of this. Okay, so you can see that this one is already behind her, so that would drop right on there. But if it were not behind her, so right click and I'm going to send it back. So see how that's not behind her now? All you do is right click bring to front. That's how you move your layers around, okay? So let's get this perfectly on here. And now, let's move all of this off to the side. And now we will put him here. So you're going to want him, this is the order you want him in. You want him behind, so kind of like with his shoulder kind of butted up against her, but behind her dress so that he's not stepping on it. He's behind it, okay? And now this is his head and his arm. Okay, and this is his other arm. This is, and see how that's behind her dress? So right click it and bring to front. You see how incredibly easy these are to work with? So what I'm actually going to do in the video description, I will link this set while I'm going to link it, grab it while it's free. I'm going to link the other one with the girls that I use because that's really cute set too. But I'm also going to link where you can go and there'll be a ton of different options of different kinds of builder sets. There's just so many options for this that it's just an awful lot of fun. So, yep, so that's behind. So we got to move this. Bring to front. This is his other hand. Oops. And then that will go right on her hip. And then his hair. Oops. And her hair. Oops. And now once I get this all put together, I am going to expand the size of this so that you can see the quality of this set. It is absolutely just beautiful. I followed the designer because I will definitely be buying more of her designs. So let me group this all together so it doesn't come apart on me. But then let me expand this so that you can see just how pretty this is. Look at her hair. Do you see her hair and his hair and the bouquet and just, all of it. It's just the quality of this design set is just amazing, just absolutely beautiful. So what I would do with this is, and that's something else I should have mentioned. So, okay, fine, you can use them for sublimation and stuff like that. But what if you don't sublimate? What if, you can use them for any print projects? How cute would it be to have the bride and the groom and then put that on thank you cards for the wedding? And that would just be a basic, print then cut. Or, to put it, like I said, on a pillow for them, or, there's just so many different options of things you can do. Little stickers you could put it on for the seals for the envelopes, or just, whatever. It's just a really fun, neat thing to do. So, that's really all there is to it. If the video was interesting to you or helpful, like the video, but also subscribe to my channel. You're not going to want to miss. There's a ton of great videos coming out that you're not going to want to miss. So subscribe to the channel. Everything will be linked in the video description, and join us on Facebook. That's about it. If you have any questions, you can ask them under the video here on YouTube, or feel free to approach me in the group. I'm always there, always happy to help. Have a good day. Bye.